All right, me trying to figure out technology again. Oil pump. Found some more milkshake underneath the windage tray. That's not a good sign. But I can pressure test this block, so it's not a problem. Make sure it's good. Got lucky. It hit the floor. And I have the washer. Okay, my pump. Boy, doesn't that look good. There's my rod. That'll get replaced as well. You know, the condition, you know, I don't know. I guess since I rebuild them, I change my oil more often. It used to be like $24 over at this place by my house. Well, now, you know, thanks to the person in charge of the world, I won't say anybody's names, but everything is going into crapper. Now it's like 40, but still not bad, even if you want to go the distance. And, you know, at least every 3,000, you know. I myself, I go every 2, but I drive my stuff over 200. Last car I had was a 02 Impala, 310,000 miles on it. My fault with the trans, didn't change the fluid enough. That trans was slipping. Body was rotten, so wasn't worth keeping. So I got 210 on my truck, Chevy with the little LS motor in there. Bought it new, never buy a new vehicle again, but at least I know what I have on that one. So I forgot about these 2 bolts. I thought this only had 2. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Cooked. Cooked. Usable, but cooked. Okay. I don't see any marks on the rods, not numbered. That's good. When somebody put a pump in it, I can't believe that. Somebody would put a pump in there, but okay. Let's see here. With old guy technology. All right, here we go. Looks pretty good to me. Well, it's not numbered. Let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. But so next we'll do the crank and the pistons, rods, and a crank. So let me get set up for that. All right. You didn't get to see all the oil drips and splashes all over the floor and my leg, and then all the swear words I kept from you. So I cleaned all that up. So now I'm doing the, I'll do a couple of rods, probably just 1 rod. And then when I get the rest out, I'll do the crank. I'll show you. These were not numbered, so I numbered 1, which on a Pontiac, if you don't know, is on the passenger side, not the driver's side like a Chevy. And this is number 2. Leave it about halfway. Give it a tap. It's not going to hurt the threads if you're halfway. And then let's see what we got. Not bad at all. Maybe I can get a... No, you ain't gonna see that. I got cheaters on and glasses and I can't even see it, but it looks like it's standard. Save all that. So I don't know if this is going to stay standard, this block, or if it's going to get bored, or if the crank is going to stay standard, or get cut. I'm not sure what he wants to do. I'm sure if he wants to keep it standard, as long as there's no 1 or 2 under bearings in there, any funky stuff that the factory has done, you'd be fine. So now I just got to tap that out. Probably, maybe this wood would be good. Since I can't find any of my... Oh, look at that. It comes right out. That's good. That's very good. That looks good. That's good. Let's put this cap on here so we don't lose any of that. I gotta get a bigger bucket. This bearing looks good too. So that's the gist of the removing the rods. So now I'm going to do 2. I'll number the other 6, knock all them out, and then we'll do the crank.